I will share how you can remove image background for free. So I'll share how you can do this for image background remove. So first of all, you will go to this website. I will add this link on description, so you can see that remove.bg. You will search on Google or you will use this website. So first of all, you will go to this website, then upload your image. After that, this website will do it. So I'll show you how you can do this. First of all, I go to Google. I search some image for show you. I have download this image for share you with you. So I download this image. You can see this image have a background. So I'll show you how remove this background for you. Then you can do this for you easily. I download this image. After that, you will go to website and click on upload image. Then I select this image, open. Just wait a minute. This site will show you remove this image, remove this background from this image. You can see that every day you can do multiple image for remove background. So that's easy. You can see after that, you can see this background are removed. Then you can download, and you can download HD, but HD for premium. So I'll check this image with back remove without background. You can see that how I can do this.